In crypto, seconds can be the difference between jackpot and completely wrong ball. Welcome back to Tech Zone, where we don't follow the market, we stay ahead of it. Today, I'm uncovering an early stage opportunity for Starx ISO update submission. That's meaning congratulations for Apple user. You already have an application in the end of the month. But there is the reality. 90% of the people watching this video will miss the opportunity. The question is, are you ready for the opportunity? It's right now between your hand. If you go down for description box and click on the link for Starx, and you will find the referral code, the referral link for Starx. Beside also a full article from our side, our website about Starx. Even if you go to the website, you will find everything about Starx, the journey. So, are you part of the 10%? The people who like data and information about the full journey of project? Let's continue speaking about Starx Network. As you see here, this is an announcement which they make it on Twitter or X. Starx Network ISO update submission. We are excited to announce the Starx has officially submitted the ISO version to App Store for internal testing. This is a significant step forward in our development journey and closer to making Starx for everyone, including Apple user. That's good. But here, if you go down a little bit in ICE development progress, they speaking about stability and performance and good experience and support devices, other different version from Apple. If you go down in expect release timeline, they speak in the end of the line, they speak about to be realized by the end of this month. That's meaning in the end of this month, Apple version can have a full mining with Star X. But before we dive in there is one critical details about the project. It could either make you early profits or waste time completely. I will review it later in the video, so stay with me. Now focus here because this is where 90% of people fail. Most people jump into project blindly, but professional really on data. That's why I have done for you the full Tech Zone website. You will find the complete technical breakdown, provide smart contract for other project, tokenomics analyze the journey of the coin since the start, total supply validation, even the risk. The link in the description box. Don't just watch the video, start to act. Build your own age. To stay connected with us, our Telegram also in description box for real-time alpha, no delays. Also our Facebook fast update, keep you informed daily. Everything organized for you below, because in crypto speed is your advantage. But let me be completely honest with you, the project is right now good, not even perfect. It's still good because in Apple version they are late. We have the Android first. That's meaning we have advantage as Android. Uh, Total supply 90 million Star X, so it's good for us. No risk until now. Even we finish the KYC. That's meaning for the Android version we will be delay. Do you know? because they will waiting the application, the app for ISO application App Store, download it and make QIC and start to mining to get some coin. So it's now for Apple Store users, they missed the opportunity in the beginning, but we are right now have advantage. But the most problem is this will make the project take too much long time. Not so good, not so bad. In the end, it's equal. That's the mindset of the smart investor. Calculate risk and the maximum upside. Let me give you the truth most people ignore it in crypto. Profits are not made by luck. They are made by timing. The formula is simple. Early entry, maximum profit you will have. We are not just a news channel, we are alpha source. If this video gave you even one value of information, hit the like button and ring the bell, because the next video might be the opportunity you have been waiting for. A tech zone, we arrive before the crowd and the crowd is arriving right now. Stay early, stay profitable. See you in the next one.